IzAlyssa. IzAlyssa. Her name is Alice, locked behind the door. An empty apartment, she don't need no more. Just her own shadow and the glass in her hand. She cuts a few lines as the speakers expand. The white gold hit makes her dance through the night, lost in the rhythm and the neon light. Pure bliss in the static, a heart in the hand. She's Alice in Wonderland. Alice, 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 Alice. Alice, 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 Alice. Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. The pupils are blown, her mind is a storm. She mixes the crystals to keep herself warm. She pours down the drink and she drinks in the heat. The MDMA makes her move to the beat. The bass is a lover, the sound is a touch. Dancing with Molly, it's never too much. She's caught in the pulse, she can't help but stand. She's Alice in Wonderland. Alice, 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 Alice. Alice, 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 Alice. Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. She reaches for drops, one for each eye. The LSD creeps like a star in the sky. Sweating in silence, she watches the floor as the walls start to melt and the room starts to roar. She's taking it in as the peak starts to roll. Lucy has captured her mind and her soul. The colors are screaming, a shift in the sand. She's Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland.